what's up everybody, welcome back to Screen Technicals. Today in this video we are going to talk about, discuss about the templates, right? Now in the previous video we have seen how can we create our app, create our project, and how can we configure our apps in the setting.py, right? Now in this video we are going to render our templates. So without wasting more time, let's jump into our folder first, right? Now at this point I'm going to open up my PowerShell window, right? And at this point I'm going to start my activate my virtual environment, and then cd into my project folder cls, and I'm going to start my this server, right? Now just minimize this one, right? Now just go to your VS Code, right, at this point, and just minimize your format and your your project, right? Now what you can do is we are going to create a directory at this point, and I'm going to name it as templates, right? Hit enter, and inside this I'm going to create another folder and naming it as, let's say, home. And inside this home I'm going to create an index.html file. By pressing the shift 1, using the exclamation mark and hit enter, you're going to see this boilerplate, right? Now at this point I'm writing here, let's say, an h1, that is, let's say, home simply, right? Save this. Now what I'm going to do is this will not work, obviously, right? We have to configure the templates dirs in our settings.py. So go to your project folder and open up the settings.py file, and if you just go down here, you're going to find this templates, right? And you are going to find this dirs. At this point right here, paste dir, give a slash right here, templates, just like that. Save this one. Now go to your views.py, and at this point you're going to find, just remove this thing, and right here return render request, give a comma, right here home slash, just give this path, home slash is index.html. Simple. Save this. Now go to your browser, open up your server at this point, and you're going to find this home. Let's say I'm writing something more at this point. Let's say I'm writing here an anchor tag. Let's write here slash, right here home. Save this to the browser, refresh that, and I'm going to find this thing. If I click on this, it will just refresh the page, right? And this is pretty much simple, right? Now in the next video we're going to talk about the template inheritance, right? The concept of template inheritance, how that works, right? How that is useful, right? So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next video.